Hey guys, welcome back on our quick how-to tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how to transfer money from Gcash to PayPal. First, you need to open your Gcash app and click on your profile that is seen on the bottom right corner of your screen. You can see the MyLink accounts there, click it, and then you can see the options of Gcash card, American Express, PayPal, or Payoneer. To click it, and then you're good to go. You must need to be verified in order to do this. For clicking on profile, you need to click on your PayPal username, email, and lastly, your password. Once you're logged in, you can now click on the send button. Select PayPal as your recipient with your amount choice. Then receive it on peso or any of your chosen currency. That's it for today's how-to. We will see you on our next one.